So I'm just gonna work on a birthday shirt. It's for my son's 10th birthday tomorrow. So I just made a design with his favorite theme, which is the squad, the Space Jam squad, Bugs Bunny. So give me a few seconds. I'm setting everything up now. But this is what it's gonna look like. So again, if you just joined me, I'm just making a birthday shirt for my son. I just made this design that he wanted, which is the Bugs Bunny from Space Jam. So he's about to turn 10 tomorrow, so this is what I came up with for the design. I need to go get my stand because I'm kind of shaky a little bit. I need to have my gimbal. Sorry, y'all. I need to go get my stand thing so I don't be shaking. But I've already started and I don't want to push pause. So excuse the shakiness. So again, I'm making my son a birthday shirt. He's turning 10 tomorrow. And I made this design with the Bugs Bunny from Space Jam. Because this is what he wanted. Let me know what y'all think, or if you want to see me do a certain design, let me know. I can certainly do that. But right now I've been just doing a lot of birthday shirts. It's a lot of birthdays during the spring and summertime. Yeah, I gotta get my gimbal thing so I can keep this camera straight. But yeah, let me know if y'all have any ideas or want to see me do anything. I got you. Anything for my followers. If it's something that you would like me to do, just let me know. Because I love experimenting and doing different stuff. Especially if it's something that somebody wants. So just let me know. Y'all my followers or y'all joining me. So I'll definitely do that for y'all. If it's anybody that needs anything or wants me to do something like maybe a football team, basketball team. I will be doing some basketball stuff here pretty soon. I think I did do a few already though. And thanks for the like. Whoever gave me that like, I appreciate it. And so I put some blue in here. It actually didn't have no blue at first. But the shoes that I got him for his birthday is going to go perfect with this shirt. And I'm just excited because I did the design myself. So, starting to do more stuff now. And I actually just put some new settings on this printer. And so it takes a little bit longer to print it, but it looks a lot better than how it used to look. So it just takes a little while, but it's all good. Well, the colors look nice. And if anybody else do custom work or, they do embroidery or DTG printing, let me know. Because we could definitely collab on some stuff. It's not really a whole lot of people that does the same type of printing. I think he's gonna really like this shirt. What y'all think? And I'll post a video of this on my TikTok as well, so you all can see the finished look. Because I had to put this underneath the heat press too. That's what I'm going to be doing once this prints out. Oh my God, that came out great. I love it. What y'all think? Alright, I gotta go put this under the heat press, so I may be working on another design here pretty soon. So just go ahead and join me again if you want to see some more stuff like this. Peace out.